Then question number 21. A uniform thin wire is bent into a wire frame with its two ends X and Y kept open as shown in the figure. The center of gravity of the wire frame is most likely to be at the point. If there is a full frame for this part, center of gravity should be midpoint. But this part is not given in the frame. Therefore, center of gravity should be moved in left hand side. Move to the left hand side. When considering this part, center of gravity should be if there is a full object like this, center of gravity should be midpoint. But this part is not in the figure. Therefore, center of gravity should be moving this direction and this direction. Left hand side and downward direction. Left hand side due to it is moving to the left hand side because of this part is weight of this part is greater than this part, and it should move downward direction because of weight of this part is greater than weight of this part. Therefore, the center of gravity of this upper part should be a point like this, and this part should be a point like this. Then we can join 2 points. Center of gravity should be on this straight line. Then answer should be 4 for the question number 21. It is right point B. Then 22. A coplanar structure is made by connecting 11 identical spheres, each of mass using identical light rods as shown in the figure. The center of gravity of the structure is mostly likely to be at the point. When considering given masses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center of gravity of this part should be midpoint, this point. When considering these masses, center of gravity again this point. Therefore, we can consider there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 masses in this place. We can consider 9 M. There is a 9 M mass in center point. And there are 2 masses M and M in these 2 points. I have considered resultant force for 9 M masses. Then, due to this weight, the center of gravity is moving in upward direction. Due to this weight, it is moving in right hand direction. Then answer should be C for the question number 22. It is like a point. It is a point like this. Then fourth one is correct answer for the question number 22. 23. The combined object illustrated in the figure A. Figure is formed by joining 4 metallic rings A, B, C, D of AD R, 2R, 2R and 3R respectively, made out of same uniform wire. The distance to be center of the gravity of the combined object from point X. There are 4 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. When considering this ring and this ring, center of gravity is not changing. It is at point X. When getting torque around point X is this point. There is no resultant torque due to these two masses, symmetric around considered point. Therefore, we have to consider only remaining two rings. Now, weight of this ring is M1, mass M1, then weight M1G, M2G. We can get the torque around point X. Then M1G into perpendicular distance from point X is R. No, large ring is 3R. Thus, M2G into small ring is R should be equals to resultant force M1 plus M2G R. We can cancel out G term and R term. Sorry. We have to get resultant, get the distance for the resultant from point X. I will consider it as a point like this, center of gravity. Then we can consider distance from point X to center of gravity of the system is simple A. Then we have to multiply by A. Now, it is a thin wire. This system is made by using a thin wire. Therefore, mass is directly proportional to length. Mass is directly proportional to length. Then we can get mass directly proportional to length. Length means 2 pi r. Then we can get mass directly proportional to radius. Therefore, we can use M1 mass as 3r. It is directly proportional to radius. We can use directly proportional physical quantity directly, or we can get mass equals to kr. But k is cancelling. Therefore, I will use M1 mass is 3r into 3r plus M2 mass is r into r. M1 plus M2 means 3r plus r, 4r into A. We can cancel out 1r term. Then 9r plus r, 10r divided by 4. 10r divided by 4, it means 5r divided by 2. Answer is 4 for the question number 23. Then question number 24. When a plate PQRST is hanging freely from point X, it balances as shown in figure 1. When hanging freely from point Y, it balances as figure 2. The center of gravity of the plate is most likely to be found. We can consider for the first situation. This one is the vertical line. There are two small squares from this edge. And for the second situation, it is like this, vertical line. Then we can draw this vertical line in this figure from this point. Oh, it should be like this. You can consider when drawing this straight line, it should be this length is 2 small squares, and this also should be 2 small squares, and we can get the corresponding intersection point. Then intersection point will be point B. 2 is the correct answer for question number 24.